Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. Yes, introducing my son to you. Anyway, it's the holiday season and I thought to take the boys for a ship cruise. Yes, this journey was a day journey, but we had so much fun. So this I'm going to be coming up with three videos, but I first of all thought to show you what the ship in Lake Zurich looks like. Yes, Zurich is surrounded by water. We have the lakes and we have the sea. So in the sea, you can decide to cruise with a ship or a boat. On this particular day, we decided to cruise with the ship. And I'm going to basically be showing you what the ships look like. Look forward to subsequent video. I'm going to be showing you another video of what happened in the city, and the most interesting one that you need to look out for is the sexta later. I'm going to be doing an historical analysis when I'm showing you that video, but on this particular one today, it's just to show you what the Zurich ship looks like. In case you haven't in mind that you want to visit Zurich, I think you need to add it to the bucket list of the things you'll be doing to do a ship cruise or a boat cruise. So let's take a tour of the ship together. Let's just do a round tour of the ship. Watch it. So guys, I thought to show you around the ship properly. We are in the ship and it's just going from destination to destination. This is what it looks like in here. Can you see? This is so beautiful. The ship has like let's start from here. You know, we took it from Zurich and it has different stops. This is the top floor. I'm planning of coming here for my birthday. I think I'll be coming here for my birthday. Yeah, because I've made inquiry, and you can be allowed to come with your cakes and your food, but you can, of course, you buy drinks from them, which makes sense because if I have to pay for it. So look at what it looks. I'm loving my food. Oh, this place, don't go and carry my wig, oh. I will cry. Oh. So let's see. That's our Swiss pride. Proudly Switzerland. Yeah. That's our Swiss pride. So this is what it looks like up here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Some people have their own private boat, like that's a private boat there. That's the top. This is the. So let me take you down. What it looks like here. So beautiful, guys. Live your life when you're young and tell the stories when you are old, okay? Live and let's live. Life is for the living. This floor, like I told you, is 3 steps. Look at this place. You can just come here with your friends and just sit down facing the water, having fun. See? That's it. The water moving. And then you have the ground floor. Let me show you what the restaurant looks like. You can come in through here, and this is the restaurant. This is the restaurant also. You can see here it's so cool and quiet. Can you see, guys? This is lovely. This is lovely. That's it, guys. That's it. Hope you're loving what you're seeing. Like the video. And they have 2 sides to the restaurant. This is another floor. The restaurant. There's another place like that. Sorry. And this is my family. So family, that's what the ship looks like basically. You can either decide to do a ship cruise or a boat cruise. It's 3 floors and it's not a very big ship. It's just a moderate ship since the cruise is within the city. There are bigger ships like those ships that go across the world. Those ones are really, really big. So before now, I used to be very scared of water. It was when I came to Switzerland that I broke the phobia. But I have another phobia, and it's not my first time on the ship. This is likely my third or fourth time on the ship. I also have a very strong phobia for something else. So like I said, look out for the other video. On the other video, I'll be sharing my phobia on something which is not the ship. I'm planning of going for like a Pacific ship cruise across the world, and across the Caribbean also someday. So I challenge you and I want to ask you, will you be cruising on a ship? Have you cruised on a ship before? Is it something you want to try, even though not in Zurich, maybe in your own country where you reside? Summer is coming. What's your plan for the summer? Just plan these things. Please like this video, leave me a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Difference and family. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get. Estas crónicos.